Two bridges that span Thompson Ditch will be closed later this month. The Vigo County Engineer's Office announced the projects at this morning's commissioners meeting. The bridge on Poplar Street will close on August 20th. That closure should last about 2 months. But first, the county plans to close the bridge over Wallace Avenue on August 13th. That bridge could be closed through the end of the year.
I know it's an inconvenience to do both at the same time, but the detour routes don't overlap. So hopefully, with a little patience, we can get these both done and get them completed this year.
Both projects will cost in excess of $600,000. The county says use Wabash Avenue and Holman Streets as detour routes.